Hey guys, how's it going, Electron Man? We got a little product review we want to do today. It's a Tahdtew, Tahdtew, Tahdtew. That's what I'm going to go with. I don't know these these manufacturer names these days are getting hard to pronounce, but anyway, I got this little item here. It's a little cordless rotary tool, and I thought it was worth giving a review to. I do a lot of electronic repair and stuff, and this has kind of become my go-to guy for this type of work. Basically, I needed to grind off a little spot on the chassis here to do a ground, and this guy's the guy I always pick up for that. Let me go ahead and box open it here and kind of see what you get in it. Don't know that I need a manual in there, but it comes with the little rotary tool. And this is what I like about it. It's so portable. Look at this little guy here, and you charge it with a USB cord. You just plug in a USB cord, and it seems to run pretty good. I've never run out of power, but then I haven't been doing any major thing. But I mean, I've run it for 20-30 minutes, and it doesn't run out. But the cool thing is it comes with all these accessories here. Go and get this out here. Kind of show you all these accessories you get. You get all these diamond grinders, and they'd be good for engraving or cleaning out a pilot hole, etc. Cleaning off barbs, and then it comes with these other bigger grinding stones, and as well as it comes with a whole lot of polishing wheels and a grinding wheel here. These polishing wheels. The polishing wheels come in pretty handy too. I mean, this tool, what it's designed for is small stuff. I mean, this is not a plug-in rotary tool that you're going to go cutting screws off and stuff. That's not what it's designed for. It's designed for intricate work like I'm doing right now, grinding a spot, cleaning a spot, polishing a spot. But anyway, I just thought it deserved a little bit of a review here because I really like it. It's a handy little item, and so far it's been very dependable. But anyway, the thing I use the most, well, at least I'm going to use right now, is this little. It comes with different courses of these little emery cloth grinding wheels, and you just hold the button here and you loosen up the chuck, drop your bit in like so. You just hold this button here, and that keeps it from spinning while you're tightening it. Got her good and tight there, and then you just turn it on. And by the way, on this guy, when I first got it, I was like, it shows speeds, but it doesn't do speeds. But you gotta see if you listen. But when you first turn it on, just so you know, when you first turn it on, it starts out in high speed, and then listen, it'll slow down to low speed, and then you have medium speed, then you have high speed. For what I'm using, I'll probably go medium speed. But I'll kind of give you an idea what I like using it for. Like right here, I got this barb right here, cut your finger or something. Well, it's great for just cleaning up this little area here. See how that smoothed that all out? Now I don't have to worry about my hand getting cut on that. I can do both of them. Yeah, this is someone who used radio and somebody put some screws in there and see how nice that cleans that up? Like I said, if you need to knock the paint off, this is real good for knocking off paint if you need to solder to something. But, it's really, I mean, I love it because of the little case too. The case is a big sell point on it, and it just sets in there like that. In fact, I'm going to leave that little grinding wheel on there because I use it so much. But then all the other little parts just drop in here. Polishing was real handy for polishing too. In fact, I got it scratched on my crystal on my watch, and I use this with a little polishing compound and got that scratch right out. So has multi-uses for sure. For me, it's mainly for polishing and grinding, but I love the little case it comes in. I mean, this is kind of why it's my go-to, is because it's handy. I just set it over here on the shelf, and when I need it, it's not getting cords out and super complicated stuff. I'm just able to just pop her out, do what I need to do my grinding, put her down, drop her in there, close the case, boom, I'm done. So anyway, I definitely I give this a 5-star. Price point's great. I mean, I wouldn't be paying $200 for this, but the price point's around $20, and for I mean, for $20, you just can't go wrong, especially if you know you're a modeler. I could see this being real good if you were in little models, RC stuff, out in the field. You just need to grind something smooth, or take a little nick off of something. I could even see this if you wanted to polish your fingernails or something. I mean, I could see it. You could use it to clean up your fingernails, which I'm a nail biter. I don't even want to get into that, but yeah, I mean, it's got multi uses. But like I said, I give this a 5-star. I like to when I see some product I like, and I think it could be useful to my viewers out there. I'll go ahead and I'm honest too. If I don't like it, I'll let you know too. But so far, this guy's really held up well, and like I said, for the price point, you just can't go wrong with it. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this little overview of the Tahdtew. I'm guessing cordless tool for and it says for light projects, but it's a great little tool to have around. I could definitely see if you were a modeler, like you put those plastic models together to clean up the burrs and stuff. Man, this would be just perfect for that. Me with electronics, it's perfect for when I got like a little solder or something that I want to just clean up. This is the guy that I can just grind it smooth. And of course, it's got all those diamond tips. I haven't really used those, but I know you could do some engraving with it, etc. And here I am going on a ramble again. Anyway, like I said, I like the product. Wanted to give you a little review. If you're out looking for a little cordless rotary tool, this is one I'd pick up. Have a great day. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give my video a thumbs up. Have a great day.